welcome to Candy Entertains. Today I have the perfect Thanksgiving side dish for you. It is my smoked Gouda mashed potatoes. Let's get started. So we're going to start with a 5-pound bag of red potatoes, and you just want to peel the skin. And once you have it peeled, you just want to slice it in about 1-inch slices like so. Alright, time to add them to the water. So while the potatoes are boiling, it's time to shred our smoked Gouda cheese. This is what takes this dish up to the next level. I've been making this recipe for years for my family, and it is a staple for every single holiday. The smoked Gouda just melts right into the potatoes, and you know, when your guests eat this dish, they're gonna say, what's in this? And it just has this lovely smoky flavor that is just awesome. So our potatoes are finished. We just drained them, and now we just want to break them up just a little bit. And then we are going to add our heavy cream. We're doing this in stages too, so just a little bit of cream. And potatoes always need butter, so we're going to do about a half a stick of butter. And then our salt and pepper. And we cannot forget our smoked Gouda cheese that we shredded earlier. We'll take another handful, and then from there you just want to mash until the potatoes get nice and smooth and the cheese and butter melts. And don't forget, potatoes soak up anything you put in them, so even though they're smoothing out now, you still want to add more cream. That's the key, to not let your potatoes become dry. Then we're going to do a little more salt and pepper, the rest of our butter, and then some more of the smoked Gouda. Alright, so get a nice serving dish, and we're just going to transfer these luscious potatoes into this dish. And then you always want to top it with what's in the potatoes. So I like to put a little bit of cheese on top along with a few more of those scallions. My smoked Gouda mashed potatoes are all finished. Now it's time for the finishing touch. So these are my red skin mashed potatoes, and the secret ingredient is definitely this smoked Gouda cheese. It just takes it to the next level and makes it really special. And then that little pop of green scallion, you can also use chives as well. It just gives it a nice little bite. I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. I guarantee if you make this for your next Thanksgiving dinner or Friendsgiving dinner, it will be a hit. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Until next time.